one young free chick here. Subscribe. Well, I should probably say at the end of the video. At the end of the video. I am eating this. This video makes no sense, but I know it's probably boring if you do watch it, but I like this cake. Oh my gosh. I thought I heard a monster, but it was only a weed whacker. So, that's good. What should I do in my next video? Comment on. Hey, shut up. Yeah. Tell me what kind of videos you want me to do. Okay, press this. This is Precious. I love you. Jojo! Come here, Jojo. Come here, Jojo. Come here, Scruffy. And this is Jojo. Yeah. They're adorable. My hair's really messy. I got out of the shower and I didn't blow dry it. And this is what happened. I'm gonna go fix it after I finish eating this cake. I'm not that funny. Okay. Goodbye. Oh, subscribe, comment, and like it up.